So good morning and happy Sunday. This is part 2 of the Mooresborn 35 BMC 1.5 diesel engine swap, and if you saw any of my other videos you will realise I've actually got a fair bit done. Removed all the pipe work. I've sort of been a bit more prepped for this video because I've got the camera in a decent position to start off with, and I've loosened the majority of all the bolts so everything can run a lot smoother and you can see how it all comes apart. So let's have a look what I've done since the last one. I've taken the fuel filter off of here, which is only a couple of bolts, and obviously all the pipe work to go with it, so we'll just get rid of this out of the way. I've also removed the throttle cable down to the diesel pump, which goes like that, and that's now out of the way. And as well as that, just put that over there. There you go there, mate. And this is the stop start for the engine. Now the stop pull cord for the engine. Now when I took this apart, I did manage to drop a little spring into the oil pan, so I'll definitely have to fish that out later. But hey ho, so let's get cracking. Gonna definitely try and keep this video shorter as well, because yeah, a bit too much when they're long. There we go. Come out nice and easy. It's an injector. Look at the state of that. That's not a good sign. Hopefully the others aren't like that. Yeah, I suppose you can see this as well. This is a good mod for a BMC. It is the paper filter replacement. So you get these on Amazon, I think they're about 15 quid. And you put this bracket on here, and then you can, as you can see, now you can see it properly. You can screw on a regular normal filter that you can get from any auto shop. Just need to make sure you get the right size. Where have I put my ratchet? So I did send an email to Calcutta Boats, and I'm waiting for their response regarding the new engine, and I've got to find out exactly what they want me to do regarding this one. I think they're going to want the majority of it before they will start putting my new one together. Didn't really need to have to take the injectors out, I just wanted to. So today's aim is to get, oh blimey, Jesus, I don't want to move, is to get the pump off, this off, the alternator off, and the starter off. And I'm good. Come on, baby. There we go, gotcha. Okay. That one's a lot better. So looking at that first one, I'd say I'm burning oil on this cylinder, definitely. And the stud come out with it, as you can see. Grubby engine. And then once I've done this side as well, I will be able to start the other side, which, if I'm completely honest, I'm not looking forward to the other side because it's really awkward access. Once we've got the other side off, we can start taking the head apart, and so on and so on. So I think the majority of my Christmas holiday is going to be spent doing this, because it needs to be done. And I do enjoy it, as I said. Ooh. We're dealing with that. Another one out. Cool. Okay, so I was looking at taking the diesel pump off, that was looking tricky because there's a bolt right under here, right at the bottom, that I can't get to unless the starter's off. So we'll do that. Also, for those that are interested, I am putting all of this on YouTube, and there is I've called it Love a Challenge, because this is a bit of a challenge. It's a big one. And as I say, no engine, no hot water. Come out, you little bugger. That's one. That's one. We need a socket for that one. Oh, what have we done with it, mate? There it is. Is it a half? No, it's big up. Yeah, again, for reference, everything on this engine is Imperial. And the aim is not to keep dropping stuff into the oil pan, because we've done that a couple of times now, and probably am going to need to find the bits I've dropped. Okay, lovely. Oh yeah, you come out, you come, mate. Living the dream, mate. Yeah, I did also find a diesel pump, one of these, online as a replacement. I wanted 450 quid. So, again, some of you probably asked me, why don't I just change that? And again, the answer will be, as you can see, we've got oil burning in this cylinder, and I've got a bit of a bottom end knock, so time to upgrade. Okay, that's going to be full of oil as well. Okay, that's going to go into the oil pan, so we shall have a look at that. It's not going to get me covered in oil. Down here. Clean that up after. I might actually be able to get to that bolt now, actually. Yeah, let's give that a go. See, there's two here on this one. I think the whole, it's not loose yet, but we've got one bolt here, one bolt there. We've got another one right down the bottom here, which I can't get to. Not with the spanner. No, okay. Let's take the starter off first. This looks like it's coming off pretty easy in all honesty. Right. Where is it? Oh dear, sorry. Let's try and put you back there. Yeah, that's about right. Doesn't like staying there too well. Okay, no big up. Yeah, I don't know how much I'm going to get done today on this. I've got first day off of work, so I can do this and then I can start to look at the other side perhaps, start to work out what I'm going to do. I think this is the only bolt holding that in, so I may want to hold it. Yeah. These. Ooh, you're heavy. Start motors on these are huge. Let's try something that's easier. And as you can see, access to everything is poor. I could get under this beam, but I don't really fancy that. Hang on, there's another one down there, I think. Looks like it. Right, come out, you come. Out. that in. Feels like it's out. Oh yeah, fiddly so and so. There's another one there. Yeah. That one's out. Okay. So what are we dealing with? That's a 916. What have we got in there? 916. Doesn't fit though. Yeah, I think there's another bolt under this, so I might flip around the other side and get to that. That's good. It just feels like it's turning. Okay, let's get under there. Let's get closer. Oh, so, there we go, idiot. Muppet. Yeah, there's a bolt on the back, that's why I can't get it off. And it's just turning the whole thing. So if we do that, and find my trusty grips. Where are you? Oh. Yeah. Just love being in an engine bay, I think. I think I've got the knack of making these videos to a better quality. Well, I hope so anyway. My thoughts or this is not a good position for your back. Come on, baby. Oh, go on there, you go free now. Yeah, so removing all the wires and stuff, I think took me about 25 minutes, and I've strapped all of the wires together, so when everything comes back into play, I can tell where it's all going to go. Right, that is out. Now the question is there another bolt underneath it? I've got a feeling there will be, which is going to be very awkward. But we'll do that. Just keep an eye on the time. All the way up to 12 minutes. It'd be nice if I could get all of this off in 15 minutes, but I doubt it. Oh, there we go. Oh, she's free, lovely. Start her off. Oh, and you're heavy. You are really heavy. Yes, you are. Oh, you bugger. Right, now we're going to get that out. Because I need to get that out to get to the bottom bolt for the diesel pump. Right, here we go. It's like a fucking obstacle course, sorry. Excuse me language. Oh, there we go. Look. Whoa, that's heavy. One starter motor. Oh, Jesus, yeah, you really are heavy. Oi, oi, oi. Oof. Like I say, unbelievably big for the boat, for the engine. Yeah, that's a spanner job. Okay, I think that's a back over that side job. I'll tell you what, while I'm over here, I'm taking the alternator off. I might be able to do this all in 15 minutes. I'll see how quick this. One alternator. Yeah, I did mention before, I've had these reconditioned by a company called Quick Start, and every time they go, which is maybe once every 6 months, due to charging and running all the time, they recondition them for me under warranty. So if you didn't know, that's not a bad idea. Right, back over the other side. Oof. diesel pump finally coming off. Oh, can I get to it now? Jesus. Oh, awkward bolt. That's the other side. Gotta love it. Right. Now I think it's time for a bacon sandwich once I've got this off. Some sort of breakfast. Oh, she's coming off. Oh, lovely. Yeah, I think we've got this, mate. Hang on a minute. Okay. You're just so awkward. Right, you're loose too. Okay, cool. Losing the top one because I'm hitting them. So if we take the top ones off, I think we're going to need to pull it out a bit before we can get the bottom one off. Well, there's something else into the oil pan, lovely. There we go. Yeah, the other thing you may have noticed as well, I decided to do the video landscape because you get a much better picture. Schoolboy error with the other ones. Oh, mate, come on. Go on. Stubborn bolt. Yeah, so next thing to take off after this lot is the intake and the exhaust manifolds. I think they look like one unit really, so that's what they look like. Oh, it's stiff. So. There's always one, isn't there? And then I look forward to receiving my email from Calcutta Boats and Roger, who's a bit of a wizard with these engines. So I can start working out what this is all going to cost. Oh, there you go. Go out. Right, the bottom one. And this should be free. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, there we go. Yeah, gotcha. Woohoo! One diesel pump. One diesel pump, guys. The thing that is actually broken. Oh yeah, that's not doing anything. And turning that. Absolutely no. Oh no, hang on, there we go. There's a little something. Interesting. So what was that? That was the return. So that was return. So when I turn this, I believe I should have fuel coming out of here as well, but I'm not, obviously. And that doesn't feel right. It's loose and wobbling around. Yeah, these are quite mechanically involved. Right, okay. That's where I wanted to get to right now, and I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to go wash my hands and make some breakfast.